Well, crypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin in a hourly basis, in a one-day time frame, weekly time frame. I'll talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin CME gap, and most other things that are concerning to the market as of now. And what we are experiencing right now, what is this move? Is it a fake out? Is it a breakout? What are the things that we need to understand? I'll explain you each and everything in this video. So do make sure to watch the video till the end without wasting any more time. Let's get into it, guys. So what we are seeing right now is Bitcoin on a one-day time frame. We have got a major breakout. The things that I was talking about yesterday, we have got a break above the MA 200. Okay, so the MA 200 had acted as resistance for a very long time. So let me put it down right in front of you. Okay, so yesterday I have put it white, so I'll do it once more time. I'm sorry, we were talking about in the one weekly, even in the one day time frame, you can see that it had given us an immense amount of support. Once the market crashed down, it had taken a support from the very same level, and we have got a bounce back. And from this level, this was the level where I put my longs, and I'm still holding my longs, which is providing me more than 3,300% profit. And that's absolutely crazy, guys, absolutely crazy. This is something that's a one golden opportunity, and I didn't want to miss it, and I so took it and also shared it with my Telegram family. Now if you haven't joined my Telegram group right now, do make sure to join. The link is in the description. Coming up with the next that I will talk about right now, that the Bitcoin has already given us an immense breakout. Okay, previously we have all this time we have got rejections from this zone. Okay, we have got rejections, and now after one more rejection we have got this green candle with the huge volume. We have seen this candle. Okay, many other YouTubers or many other channels were trying to improvise that there will be a downtrend, or there will be you can short the market. But you need to understand, guys, it's not the same every single time, guys. You need to work according to the trend, and if the trend is shifting towards the bull, you have to grab that. Okay, I'm not saying anybody could be wrong, anybody could be right, but we have to work according to the market. And if the market is not giving you the opportunity to the way you like it, you need to understand the market, and you have to take the things according to the market. Okay, I'll explain the later part of the video why shorting Bitcoin yesterday was not my thing, and I didn't give out any short signals yesterday, and even I didn't took any scalping, even the scalping signals for the short, because I took out many scalp longs other than my swing long that is going around from the $19,000. But I also took out some scalping longs in the middle range, and that have given me immense amount of profit, guys. Okay, now I also talk about which is the major another resistance level that will act, uh, that will now gonna act for Bitcoin. Okay, so this was the previous major resistance, which will shift down to this new resistance area, that is going to be $29,000 to $30,000 range, because this is a very important range where we have got multiple supports and we have gotten a breakdown. So if you logically think and technically think, then this is the only level where you need to start shorting, guys. Right now in the middle of something, no, I informed you previously, guys, there is no volume in this area when the market dropped down. So the same way the market will go upside, because there is no resistance, guys. I have been talking about it many times. So the same thing is happening right now, where we had no resistance previously, no support. We have built no support previously, and that's the reason right now we have no resistance until we reach to this level. Okay, until we reach this level, then I will start shorting Bitcoin, at least for the scalping premises, and I will see if the market is giving me enough opportunity. Then and only then I will be looking for a swing short inside the price of Bitcoin. Coming up with the next, this is the another Bitcoin chart, another analysis that I think could possibly give us a resistance. Now where it is, people been trying to short it right here. It was creating a double top, but still I didn't short it, because I knew that the market is turning bullish now. People were looking for a break about 25,200 dollars. I was looking for the books of the Bitcoin, if the orders are long or if the orders are for spot, or what are the things. I've been trying to understand the market, and if you try to understand the market, and if you get to know what is the market sentiments, you need to work according to that. And that's the reason I didn't give out any short signals yesterday for the Bitcoin. And you've been thinking out, I didn't provided any alt signals where the market has been going up. The reason behind it is, the reason I didn't provided any altcoin signals or any long signals even though the market was pumping, because the Bitcoin was only pumping, and this is the cycle, this is the start of the cycle in which the Bitcoin has to pump. Okay, the dominance, let's talk about that. Okay, let's talk about this chart in a minute. Before that, I will take you to the dominance. Okay, so what we are watching out in the dominance, you can see that it's going immensely up. Okay, there is no stopping for the dominance, and that's the reason the alts are not able to push up at this point. The major resistance area for the Bitcoin dominance is going to be 48 percent. Okay, within this range we can see some rejections, but right now I'm more focused about Bitcoin, not even more focused about Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum is moving a bit, but if you see, I'll show you one more thing. Okay, this is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Okay, let me take you on the one that I have my analysis on. So what we are experiencing right now, the Ethereum is getting weaker in front of Bitcoin. And whenever the Ethereum is getting weaker, that means the alt will not be able to move. And in those cases, the Bitcoin is the only giant who's going to start moving inside the market. Even if you see, the Bitcoin has been moving up pretty high, pretty much, but the alts are not able to move much of it, and even the Ethereum is not able to move much of that. Okay, the simplest reason of that is that the Ethereum and BTC had lost its major support right now. So right now what we can see is, we can see keep on rising. The Bitcoin can keep on rising. All right now I would not recommend anything, any longs or anything, because the market is at a stage where we can start dropping, or we can go a little higher and then we can start dropping. Okay, because it's been going exponentially up. There could be a little bit of correction where we can look for some long opportunities. Right now, according to the market sentiments, we need to understand if the market cycle is turning to bull. We have to just look for the retracement where we will be looking for long opportunities rather than looking for shorts, because you will look for everything to short right now. Everything is at the top. But हिंदी में बोलना चाहता हूँ, बॉटम का कोई बॉटम नहीं होता, टॉप का कोई टॉप नहीं होता. ओके, देर इज नो टॉप ऑफ टॉप. हिंदी में इसको ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से समझ सकते हैं कि गाइस, बॉटम का कोई बॉटम नहीं है, टॉप का कोई टॉप नहीं होता. उसी तरीके से हम नियरली 29,000 के पास जाएंगे, वहाँ से हम एक शॉर्ट की अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं और वहाँ से हम स्कैल्प कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अभी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं, फॉर नाउ नथिंग. ओके, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन, बीइंग पेशेंट, hold on to your spot trades. Coming up with the next that we will talk about is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is also have reached out to its major resistance area. Previously, I've told you that $1,711 is the major resistance area. If we get a break and if we get a retest, we will be looking for a long opportunity. And yesterday I did it. I made some handsome money out of this Ethereum trade. You can see it's a perfect retest. As soon as I see a perfect retest and a green candle, I look for a long opportunity, and it gave me a good amount of profit. I actually booked it right here because this was the previous top and I booked it. I was not able to book the whole top, but anyway, it was a good amount of profit. Right now Ethereum is also at a resistance. If we break this area, probably we can go for an exponential move for the Ethereum as well, same like the Bitcoin. Okay, coming up with the next, the most important thing that I want to talk about right now in the current market scenario is this is the CME gap. The reason why I was not looking for any shorts inside the market, in the previous video as well I informed you, I'm not looking for any shorts. I'll look for the retracement and I'll look for longs. Right now there is a CME gap that was being made previously when we have dropped down from this level, that it has $29,000. So that's the reason this area is so important. Today the markets are off, so we cannot see any movement. But what if the Bitcoin is able to cross this area but till Monday, or is able to hold on to $26,000, $26,000 to $26,500? This is going to be very bullish, and we can see again an upside move for the Bitcoin. What if we are seeing that the Bitcoin has been reached out to the $29,000 before the weekend? Then in that case, there is going to be again another CME gap for the Bitcoin that will create it right here. This will make it again, and then we can see a drop down to lower levels. Okay, I'll give you further updates about that in the upcoming videos, guys. Today I'm gonna post one very important video about the trading strategy, guys, because I had a lot of demand. Many people been asking me for the strategies and for the indicators, so I'm providing you one good one. Do make sure to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you do need it or not. Okay, coming up with the next right now that we are experiencing. This is a 5-minute time frame. Bitcoin actually been analyzing that, and so it had given me a breakout, a good upside move. You can book your profits right here, but anyway, my targets and stop loss had already been set it up. Let me just have a look. Going pretty well. All right, so coming up with the next other thing that I will talk about is the funding rate. The funding rate has been still good for the bulls, and there is no negative or no positive funding rate as of now. So still it's every single thing is good until unless we see a positive funding rate, then I will look for my closing my longs. We have seen 2.79 million of liquidation in last 1 hour, 237.37 millions of liquidation in 24 hours, guys. That is insane. That is insane, guys. Most of the liquidations are for the 2.89 million is in the Bitcoin, 1.90 million is in the Ethereum, Sol, CFX, and Mask, Sand, Gala, and so on, guys. So that's the reason. Never blindly short, guys. Oh my god. Yesterday when it was right here, I was still thinking that we can see much more liquidations, and it is right nearly to those levels. So okay, still I believe these are the highest liquidations. GPT, USD. All right, the last thing that we will look at it right now is the funding. The people are now getting more of the shorts. Overall, there are long positions more opened up, but I believe in a bit they will go short, and there we can see much more short squeeze. So this was all about in today's detailed analysis for the Bitcoin and Ethereum. What could be the potential move of the market? I explained you where to short the market. I have explained you that is very simple, guys. $29,000 simple short. If we are getting a pullback, simplest longs. Further updates I'll provide you on my Telegram channel, so do make sure to watch my Telegram channel. Do make sure to join it. And all right, guys, bye bye. Thank you so much.